we are going to learn Oracle tutorial. This is using as statement. We are copying columns from multiple staging tables. Now this is staging table. Okay, first and second. Okay, now we are created. See here, select star from enter. Okay, there is a view table does not exist. Once we copied from this select star from, just write it here. Okay, say star from, see here, table is created with single quotes. Okay, now I given table name with single quotes. Okay, by mistake I given tutorial also given like that. Here also you have to use double quotes. Okay, sorry, I said single quotes. Now we using this is a table as a statement. Here two tables, dot column, and here regular table city and irregular name, and like that we created. Now control enter. ID. Okay, here also we have to use like this. Okay, why? Because table name is we created wrongly single quotes. Okay, by mistake I created. Otherwise we can drop and again we can create table. Now what I am going to do, I am going to drop table. Okay, drop here table. My table name is okay. Now control enter, drop table successfully. Same way I am going to drop this table also. Okay, what I am going to do, again I am going to drop both tables. Okay, both tables I dropped successfully. Now refresh, there is no table. Now I am going to create again table, removing. Now table is created. Same way here again I am going to create table regular. Okay, now both tables is created. Here we copied. Okay, now we don't want to double quotes. Okay, just remove here. Now okay, now enter. See here, customer 3 is created. Just refresh. See here, customer 3. See here, copying tables from multiple columns. Okay, like this we completed. Here what happened in starting, he created a table single quotes, but you don't new second table name as also 3 columns. Okay, both are 3 columns. Okay, irregular. Now completed alert table. Now we are going to change alert definition. Okay, see here, add column in a table. Now one column we are going to add in table. See here, age, alert table customer, add column name, age, size. Same way we are going to use. Where is just paste here customer table. See here, there is 2 columns. Now I am going to add new column. The column name is age. See here, customer alerted. Just going to refresh. see here customer age, like that we completed. How we completed? Alert table, add customer age. Same way, add multiple columns existing table. Okay, these are we going to add 2 column names. Okay, alert table customers, add columns. Here what is the different? Here no braces. Okay, using braces is going to add. Okay, see here curly braces with comma separate is going to add multiple columns. Okay, customer address just going to just okay, where I am going to save, leave it, I am going to save later. Okay, see here type and address we added here. Alert table, table name and add columns. Okay, this way we learn alert table. Okay, modify tables. Okay, this modify tables I think customer name. Okay, is going to modify size. Okay, in customer table just modify, just enter. Okay, modify it showing error. Okay, this I am going to fix next video. Thank you for watching.